Trimming windows is an easy way to elevate them. But what if you have rounded corners on your windows, or bullnose corners as they are called, which is what we have in all the windows in our home? I am going to show you a simple hack to make trimming these windows really easy, and they will look like they were windows with sharp corners to start with. The first step is to deal with the rounded corner. Start with a flat piece of scrap wood with a sharp square edge. Align it on the window and measure the distance from the edge of the window to the edge of the scrap wood. In this case, it is 1 5/8. I transferred that measurement over to my table saw and ripped 5mm underlayment into strips for the 2 sides and the top. Now you do have to measure each of the 3 sides a couple of times to get the accurate measurement because there are construction variations. I did not do that and I had to go back and redo some of those cuts. Then I used construction adhesive to attach these strips to the window and added 2-inch brad nails. Once the 3 sides are covered, I measured the exact width at the bottom of the window to get the measurement for the windowsill. I left about 5 inches overhang on each side of the window and then cut it out using a jigsaw. Then I attached that with construction adhesive and 2-inch nails. Now you can have a sloping or uneven windowsill. If you do, you can use shims to make this board flat and even. With that in place, I measured the height for the trim from the corner of the window. I decided to make miter cuts for a clean finished look and attached that with construction adhesive and nails. Once both sides were in, I measured the dimension for the top and cut and attached it in place. For a clean finished look, I decided to add 1x2 boards on the outside. So I measured the exact length and cut a bevel on the top to attach it. And then again for the top, I attached the 1x2 board with bevel cuts on both ends to finish up the trim. Now for the bottom, I measured the overhang and aligned another 1x4 board and attached. Finally, I filled the nail holes with wood putty, caulked all the seams, painted the window, and now the window is completely new. You will be amazed at how just trimming the window makes such a huge impact on the room. In fact, once you add those strips around the window to make the edges sharp and square, you can use any type of trim to trim the window. I trimmed this small bathroom window using window casing for an entirely different look. I have many other quick and beginner-friendly home improvement projects, so be sure to watch that and be sure to subscribe for more fun and easy home and woodworking projects.